In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the no coin challenge here in Subway Surfers. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. Now, what exactly is the no coin challenge? Essentially, you have to avoid every single coin if you can. If you're trying to beat it, this is going to be the perfect video for you. The first step is simply just knowing that sometimes coins can appear in all three lanes. To dodge them, you're going to need perfect timing and perfect swipe control. The best way to get used to this is just by practicing. I also recommend using free boost at the start, something like a free score multiplier, a head start, or even grabbing the 2x multiplier is absolutely great. This is going to help rack you up without coins, and I know this gameplay is absolutely terrible. I'm trying to focus at the exact same time. But another thing you're going to want to do is simply go ahead and try and abuse hoverboards. Spam them as much as possible because hoverboards are going to be your lifesaver. It's going to allow you to survive crashes and actually let you hit obstacles without ending your run, which is going to give you more focus to dodge coins safely. Staying on top of trains is also another great way to go ahead and do this challenge. If you stick to the train roofs as long as possible, you'll be good because coin spawns are actually rarer up there and you have more time to plan your moves, which essentially means you're going to have a safer, cleaner, coin-free gameplay. Some extra tips: obviously make sure you're avoiding magnets at all costs. Make sure you're skipping coin missions while doing this, and of course practice with low speed until you master control. But if this video kind of helped you out, even just a little bit, consider liking it, and of course subscribing to the channel with all notifications on for even more Subway Surfers tips and tricks. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.